Hi guys, I am heading out. Come along with me. I have to figure out where I can put you guys because I really want to vlog because these blue things from the tripod, it's too big. I'm gonna explain. Where the hell am I going? I'm going to Starbucks. Why is this so hot? Let's go. That's why someone pushed out the AC button. Alright, you guys, switch to my phone. I am here. Damn, these lashes, like today, these lashes look bomb. These are the Kiss number 11 falsies. I have to hide this camera because people now steal everywhere. Okay, hit the music. Alright, you guys, I am leaving, going back. Hey, it's family. Oh my god, I almost put that thing on my eye. So we out here. Guess where we are, you guys? We're in Walmart. I came to look for something. Yo creo que es este. Damn, this is big. Traveling. I think you guys pretty much know what I'm talking about. I should do like a week in my life type of thing. Cause I'm gonna chips. This is where I'm gonna be. If you need me, I'm gonna be right here where the alcohol's at. And the chips. Oh my god, I found the chips. I feel fun. Oh my god, those taste good.
Holy shit, I got a kid.
No copyright. Okay, I am in Walgreens. Hi guys. I don't know if I started this vlog. I don't even remember. Wow. I'm on a mission to getting a hydrating moisturizer for my face, like drugstore. So I'm gonna get one. And you guys are gonna come with me. See if I can vlog. If I don't get scared by the people. I found it, you guys, but it's hella expensive. It's $21. It's too much. What do I do, guys? Do I get it? Hi guys, why is this so dark? I'm gonna show you guys what I got in Walgreens real quick. In here, I got these, which are like covering around. Needed a toner for like a while. My face is And then I got these. I've heard really good things about this. This is a Purify and Matte Tip clarify. Okay, clarifies, mattifies, and refresh complexion. Skin concerns to reveal. Takes out impurities, dirt, oils, absorb impurities and unclog pores, reduce excess shine, refresh, and allow skin to breathe. My skin definitely needs to breathe. My grandma's neighbor's like right there. He's so old and he's always around about life. Oh, my life is this, my life is that. What is he watching me? Like, I don't fucking get it. Like, dude, get the fuck out of here. He's like here watching me. Like, can you see him? I always give him the bad look. I don't give a fuck. Wow, this is a really bad angle. Oh! Wait, you can't see my face. Oh! Please don't let it be broken. Please don't let it be broken. Oh, it smells like coconut. Yo, I got in that water and now I have a horrible headache. I'm gonna shower, wash this hair, and my ears hurt too. I can't feel my ears. So yeah, this camera has 20%, so I'm gonna try and charge it a little bit and then see what we can do. I was supposed to post a video today. I completely forgot. I don't think I have time now. I'll leave it for tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm going, it's not like a festival, but it's a, well, it's sort of like that. It's like a festival type of thing. So it's a carnaval. It's called like that. I think in Cuba they do the same thing. I think it's called like that too. Or in Mexico, I don't know. By the way, this is how the mall looks after Maria. Maria left it like that. I'm waiting for my sister. She's in the mall, so I'm here parked waiting for her. Yeah, my vlogs have been all over the place, so bear with me. We had a nice mini pool party type of thing today. Honestly, I feel like I'm not gonna lie, I feel like a truck passed me over, and I knew I was gonna feel like that after getting in that pool. We swam for like 2 hours, I'd say, and then we got out. I showered, I got ready, pampered myself, and then we head out, went for lunch. We ate our lunch in my grandma's house, and I talked to her, and I got some packages, but they're not mine. And then later I'm gonna take the packages to my mother-in-law and then stay there for a while and then head back and get some work done, because I have some schoolwork that I have to get done, and I'm here like believing like I have nothing to do, but I'm just so tired because I've been all these days on my computer, and I'm just tired of it, you guys. I will give you guys like an OOTD. I have been giving you guys an OOTD for a hot minute in my vlog, because usually I'm just wearing, I don't know. My top is from PacSun, and my jeans, I'm wearing some shorts, they're from PacSun too, I think. And then this flannel is from American Eagle. My sneakers, I'm wearing some Nike sneakers. They're like from Nike. I look crazy. Okay, I still look ratchet like on the face. Wanted to also, I retouched my nails, same color, because I am actually obsessed with this color. I need more nude shades, but I'm vlogging here because there's like lighting. I was like, wait, I haven't vlogged today, and so I just literally turned on the camera. Right, I'm hungry and I'm looking for a dessert. So I was watching my old videos. I had like a little situation with YouTube today. I'm not gonna get into it because it's a little embarrassing, and it's not embarrassing, but I'm really private with the shit that my situations. I'm really private with that. So I'm gonna keep it to myself for now. It's a pretty serious situation. I did not think that was gonna happen to me. That has to do with old videos. So why now? You know, like, why now? Why didn't you do it in the moment? I'm gonna get my snacks and then I'll go keep on talking to you guys on my room, because I don't like this situation where it's like, I don't know, that light is disturbing. So it's not been a while actually. I'm gonna cover this so you guys don't see the reflection. I was gonna eat my snack and then I said, wait, I haven't showered. So I showered and now I'm gonna eat my snacks. I have some Funyuns. I've got a sweet drink. I have my Coke. You guys are probably gonna start asking about what happened with my YouTube and all that stuff. I can't really talk about. I can, but I can't really talk about it that much until I go more into investigation, because I tried to email them, and it's really hard to email those people because they don't have an email like illustrated anywhere, and they can email you from this app or something, or from personal email, but that email is not for help or stuff like that. For me to email you and be like, look, I need help with this or something like that, it's not for that. So I emailed them from a random email that they usually send when it's copyright claims, or when you have a comment on your videos, or someone uploaded like a notification, and it always comes out in the emails too, and they still haven't responded me. So I'm waiting, probably because since it's a weekend. I think that's why they haven't responded me. So I'm just gonna wait here. Hopefully they will answer me. Something happened so bad with my channel that the first thing that I thought, honestly, was to delete it. I was like, that's it, I'm gonna delete my channel. But it was like a thing that I just thought, and then I was like, no, you're not gonna delete it. Solve your issue first. If you notice that these things are not going as you planned, take matters to your own hands and then delete it probably. So that's what I intend to do. I'm gonna wait till probably Wednesday, see what happens. I'm gonna keep uploading. After this week, I'm gonna get rid of all my blonde hairs. They finally, this week that you're seeing this vlog right now, by the time you guys see this, I'm already done with my blonde hair videos, which I'm missing like 3 more, which I'm gonna upload this week, and the Q&A. It's finally happening. You guys have been requesting it, and it's finally happening. Also, I have a pimple here. It's bothering the shit out of me. Don't worry, my YouTube is still gonna keep on normal. I just have some doubts and stuff about the situation that I'm going through. But yeah, I'm gonna, watch some Netflix and like YouTube videos and stuff that I have to catch up on, because I haven't watched YouTube videos for a hot minute. I've been watching a lot of Netflix. I've been obsessed with this series that my boyfriend was like watching, and I was like, I'm gonna see if it's really good, and it's actually amazing. But now I hate it. It's called The 100. You guys have seen it? Please don't give me like no comments about what happens in the future. I just want to take everything one step at a time. I started last week on season 1 and I'm already on season 2. I don't know, I'm gonna keep watching it and see. Right now I took a break. I was like, I'm not gonna watch that shit because I'm like too mad, and I'm like watching it upset, and I don't like watching my shows upset. So yeah, I don't think I'm gonna vlog after this. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this little chit chat type of ending the vlog. I will see you guys on my next video or vlog or whatever.